Hello Brother Smith, I'm Daniel Vite and this is my final project. In my final project I'm going to show a microprocessor. This microprocessor contains 7 main devices. The first main device is a binary counter and it contains a clock that is sending electrical pulses to a counter, and this counter is sending those pulses to a RAM or read-only memory. This RAM contains the data that is going to be displayed on this display. This RAM is sending the information to another RAM that is working as a decoder. And also, this RAM is sending the information to a multiplexer. This multiplexer is receiving data from the RAM and also from the arithmetic logic unit. And finally, this multiplexer is sending the information to the register file. And the register file is submitting the information to the display and the arithmetic logic unit. Now let's see the devices. Their read-only memory, we have this data, and also in the decoder we are using this data to decode the previous data. Now let's see the register file. In the register file I'm using two 4-bit registers, and to select one of those is going to be between those decisions. Now, one 4-bit register contains 4 1-bit registers, and this is my 1-bit registers, that is by a multiplexer and also a deep flip-flop. Now let's see the arithmetic logic unit. In the arithmetic logic unit I'm using the 3 functions that are from 3 gates, that is an OR gate, also an XOR gate, and finally an AND gate. In this arithmetic logic unit I'm also using an addition and subtraction gate. Well, in this addition and subtraction I'm receiving the data that is submitted to the register file, and in this 4-bit addition and subtraction we are using 4 1-bit adders. Now let's do the finally the test. So the phase 1 testing is going to display hello Brother Smith. It's going to do an addition, also a multiplication, and finally a subtraction. Now in the second phase it's going to do another subtraction. The difference between this subtraction and the second subtraction is in the first one is going to be using the 2's complement, and in the other is going to be a simple subtraction. And finally I use a reset button to see and to clean all the circuits. Thank you so much for your attention, Brother Smith, and thank you for this course.